Well, hi everyone, it's Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today I have exciting news. If you recall, last Friday, 9 days ago, I planted my one seed challenge. My one seed challenge, it was a lemon hot pepper, okay? And it's been 9 days, and we have first growth. Well, let me go ahead and show you. There it is. I haven't been in the room. This is in a spare room I had him sitting in, and I hadn't been in there in the whole 9 days, and today I just said I'm going to go see if it sprouted yet. I had my doubts, and it was already up, and it was starting to poke against the Reynolds wrap I had on the top right over here. So I had Reynolds wrap on there, and as you can see, it's starting to grow, and the first leaves I've just starting to separate. So this is the first time it's only been out here. I brought it out on this table and put it in front of some sunny windows. This is my gnome table, as you can see. I have gnomes for my garden. It's still too early in the year to put the plants outside, but these go around all my plants. I get them all set up, and they're my plant protectors and workers. Some of them, you know, shovel and irrigate and this kind of thing. Keep my plants going. Anyways, I went there early and went in the room today just to check it out, and there it was growing. So my one seed challenge has sprouted. Ha! There is life. Life. Whoa. So let me know how you folks are doing with your one seed challenge. I'd love to know what kind of plants you're growing this year. And leave it in the comments below so we can compare notes throughout the summer. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.